I'm Adam, and this is a video about how to use your voice-activated navigation system in your Ford or Lincoln with Sync 3. Today's video is brought to you by this beautiful 2018 Ford Edge Titanium. Using the voice-activated navigation system on the Sync 3 is as easy as pressing one simple button and calling out where you'd like to go. You have the option to search for a place either by its address or by its name. It's really simple. The first thing that we're going to do is try to search by the address. All you have to do is press this one simple button here.
Please say a command.
Find an address.
In Illinois, please say the street address, including the city. To search in another state, say change state.
222 North Main Street, Edwardsville.
When ready, press the voice button and then say set as destination.
It's as simple as that. All you have to do is press that button. It found exactly where I was looking for. And now all I've got to do is press that button one more time, set it as my destination, and the map will automatically turn on. Set as destination.
Setting destination.
It's as easy as that. When you'd like to search for the name of a place instead of its address, all you have to do is press that same easy button.
Please say a command.
Find a place.
In Collinsville, please say the name of the POI.
Artisan Bakery.
When ready, press the voice button and then say set as destination.
Set as destination.
Setting new destination. Please proceed to the highlighted route and then the route guidance will start.
There you go. Once you've successfully arrived at your destination because your Sync 3 navigation system got you there, all you have to do to cancel the route is press that same easy button.
Please say a command.
Cancel route.
Are you sure you want to cancel your route?
Yes.
Canceling route.
There you have it. It's that easy. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope it helped you better understand your voice-activated navigation system. If you do have any questions or you'd like a live demonstration of today's video, come down to Jack Schmitt Ford Lincoln here in Collinsville at 1820 Vandalia Street, or visit us online at jackschmittford.com.